Hi, this is just a quick video. I had gotten a request from a user asking about their screen replacement for your Iolite. And if you notice, when you purchased your unit, you had these two tools. And a lot of people thought that these tools were simply for packing your herb chamber down. That's true, but they also have other uses. Occasionally when you go to take your filling chamber out, it'll get stuck. And just the rubber will come out. And the bowl will be firmly in place, and you're wondering, wow, how the hell do I get it out? Well, that's where this threaded tool comes in. And you simply apply the screw it in, and that will allow you to pull the bowl free. Now, as for popping the screen out, second tool, you're using the smaller end. You can just put that firmly on a table and just insert it. Pressing down. Oops, well, should keep an eye on it because it can go flying out, but anyway, that's it. Done. Popped out. Hope that explains it.